Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I thought I'd take you guys along with me while I tried out a Facebook hack for my stove and a new product to clean my oven. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting the subscribe button, giving this video a like, and coming along to see how it turns out.
Don't mean to be so quiet, but there's nothing left to say.
The products I'm going to be using is the Easy Off oven cleaner and some bounce sheets and water. If that doesn't work, I'm going to go back to my old friend, the barkeeper's friend.
And we're saying goodbye.
Starting off, I'm going to remove everything that can be removed from the oven and the stove, and I'm going to give it all a quick wipe down on the top before I try the Facebook hack. Now the hack is to place bounce sheets on top of your stove, and then you spray it down with water. My spray bottle didn't work for some reason, so I had to just pour the water on it, and we will see how it works. It's supposed to remove all the heavy-duty grime and grit from your stovetop. I have been struggling to remove the stains from the top two burners since I moved in here. I have yet to find a single hack, a single product, anything to remove the spots that have been stuck on there since we moved in here. So I'm hoping that eventually I can find something that will work. This did pull up some of the grease, and it was kind of getting rid of some of my newer stains rather than more of my grimy stuck on things that have been here for I don't know how long, because it was there when we moved in. For the quick easy clean on this product, it said to preheat the oven to 200 degrees and then apply the product. I am telling y'all, it does work really well, but it's literally the worst experience ever. The chemical of this product chokes you. It's so awful. Like, I had to end up letting my oven cool a little bit before I went back and applied some more, because I honestly felt like I couldn't breathe and I felt like it was bothering my eyes. I don't recommend this process, but I do recommend it for the simple fact that it does work. I've never used chemicals on my oven before. This is my first time. I've always done baking soda and whatnot, but this was horrific. And the top of my stove ended up not coming very clean. So if you guys have any tips or tricks that could help me get rid of these spots on the top of my white stove, I have scrubbed so many times with it that I'm starting to take off the white from the stove, and I just don't know what else I can do to get rid of these spots.
I'm waiting for you. No, I won't leave you. You've been down so long that I can barely breathe. In a sea of worry.
I want to go ahead and disclose this cleaner does have other options of cleaning. You can use it overnight. You can use it on a cold setting for 5 to 8 hours. And I think next time I will do it at nighttime. I will spray it down, close my oven, and just let it sit overnight and then tackle it in the morning time. But there's so many other options. I think there's 4 different ones on the back of the bottle. I do recommend this product. It works phenomenal if you have the time to wait for it. If you don't, do the hot setting. It is horrific, so cover your breathing parts, nose, mouth, and get some eye protection because it really is awful, but it worked phenomenally, and I was just blown away with how everything just melted off with ease.
Making you my history. I'm begging of you, and the gods above you, that no matter what, you're gonna be alright.
The friend that recommended this product to me told me to put my racks into a big black trash bag after spraying them off and closing it for an entire night. I wish I had followed that, but I wanted to do it on a video for you guys. Waiting the 15 minutes to let it just sit without any heat on it, it really didn't remove as much as I thought it would, and I was kind of disappointed. So the next time I do my oven clean, I will definitely put them inside of a trash bag and let them sit overnight so that they get the same closed setting as my oven would if I did it overnight. But for today, this was good enough. I was sick of smelling the chemical and I just wanted to get past this process. Cleaning an oven is so tedious, but yet we let it get so messy and we're stuck with a tedious project. If we just kept up with it, it wouldn't be that big of a deal. So my mindset is I'm going to try to do this more often so that I don't have to deal with such a horrific mess.
I could be without you. I thought I'd let you go and drop you. I thought that I could just pretend that I didn't miss you. But now it's plain for me to see. Hey, you're my only remedy. Won't you please come back to me? And I swear that I will never leave again. Hey, tell you what you need of me. I was crazy to believe
this is my end result. I am semi-pleased with it. I will figure out a way to get rid of these if you guys drop some comments for me. I need some good advice to get rid of those. They drive me absolutely insane. They're also on my grates, so I need to get rid of it. The inside of my oven hasn't looked this clean in a very long time, and I'm very pleased with how it turned out. Even though the experience was awful and enjoyable at the same time, I really like my outcome. If you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a like, and drop me a comment below to let me know if you have another video you'd like to see in mind, and I will try and tackle that for you.